Hi guys, I'm Matteo Lavezzini and today we tie this fly.
A mouse. Mouse imitation streamer for top water fishing for pike, trout, bass and all predators that hit mouse in top water. For that is tied in this case on size hook size 4, but for sure you can tie bigger like 10, 20, 30 for or 40 for the pike, or also smaller if you want make specific for the trout. Zonker brown or black if you prefer for the tail, and I have put out this part of fur to be light to cast it. Long hair senile, polar senile, black, and foam to the shape of the mouse, the two hairs and the head. And this is the top water mouse.
Before start, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, but most important is join the channel. Join the channel is the big way to support me and to continue to make for you fly tying video and fly fishing video too. For your support, in the description below you can find all the special offer for you. There are three levels of three kind of join: Lavezzinifly 30, Lavezzinifly 35 and Lavezzinifly 40. You can choose the level you prefer and you have access the reserved video for the joiner and the special discount for you, but everything is right in the description. Join is possible to make from PC, computer or Android, not from iPhone, because from iPhone you will find only the button subscribe. Meantime, you need to push the button join. To have the button join, you need to look the channel Lavezzinifly or on computer or on Android, okay? You chose join. You can choose the level you prefer, Lavezzinifly 30, 35 or 40. You choose the level, you write me on WhatsApp a message and write me, Matteo, I'm joined to your channel, and I make for you your special code that is have unlimited use and time. So is valid for all the time you rest joiner to my channel, okay? In the description below you can find everything. Other feature is the super thanks. Super thanks is the way when you can send to me the money you prefer, the value you prefer. You can find under here the heart with the dollar inside, and you can choose super thanks and send to me other kind of support to continue for you to make video for you, fly tying video and fly fishing video too. But now we can start with the video of the day.
So start from the hook. Hook is a predator hook size 4, but for sure you can tie smaller or bigger as you prefer, and in case you can use to on a bass or on pike or trout. It depends from the fish and from the spot if you use in river or lake. Long shank with barb, so remember to clamp it before start fishing. And first step is take the bobbin with the power thread large black and fix the thread on the hook shank. Cut off the excess, go near the hook band here, take a Zonker rabbit strip. In my case is brown dark, but for sure you can use black. Now I use this because I have this. Cut the excess, fix very well the Zonker has tail. Now you can cut off all this part of feather of fur, so he drink less water and there is more easy to cast. From foam black we take a nice piece, make the arrow shape to be clear, to be easy to fix it. Okay. Now take polar chenille or long hair holographic, as you prefer, black color. Is this kind of chenille, black. Fix it on the body and wrap it. Every step I put back the fibers. And arrive in the front here. Fix the chenille with the thread, very strong. Pull very strong. Okay. Cut off the excess of the chenille. Now, fix very well. Put the chenille down. Take this part down like that, and now take this like that, make the two hairs, and close with usual knots. One, two, and 3 knots as usual. Cut off the thread. Put out this fiber that we don't like. Okay. Okay, now I take some glue here. On the knots. And our mouse in Zonker tail and chenille, like body and legs, and foam black is ready to fish for trout, bass, pike and other predators in top water.
Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down here if you like this video. And remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, but most important is join the channel. Join the channel is the big way to support me to continue to make for you fly time video and fly fishing video too. Thanks again and see you next time. Bye!